Hello everyone, I'm going to present to you our SSIS system, Stationery Store Inventory System, implemented by Team 8 SA49 now. Right, so first of all, let's try to log in as employee first. Okay, my employee is Chris Taka. Okay. Now, you're going to, it is going to redirect me to the page, right? You can see there's a greeting message for him. There's a notification buttons here. There's a recently added item, which is actually our value added in feature. And after that, we have this catalog. We also have a request card. Okay, now let's try to raise two items, okay, into the request card. And we can change the quantity here. 10, like for example, 10. Okay, you notice that this quantity has some validations later on if you want to try it out. Okay, so let's just raise first. Number 1. Okay, it's raised. Okay, then the recent item is changed. Okay, number 2. Maybe envelope. 2 envelope. 1 click small. Yep, add request. And then I can change the quantity here. 1 is 2, 1 is maybe 5. Right, erase record. All the additional buttons or validations can be found out during the actual UAT. Now I'm just going through the workflow first. This is right hand side is the value added in feature because we assume that employee always requests the same item over and over again, right? So if they add these items last time, probably most likely they will add it again this time. So by doing so, you can just click on the two items and click any of the cart button and it will be added here. Okay, but for now we don't need it, right? So we just delete it. Okay, now I'm going to show you what other features is included in this employee's website. Okay, besides this, we also have create, which is quite similar to dashboard. Most importantly, we have update/check status page. Okay, this page allows you to check the status of each form. Like for example, just now we have, okay, this one is what, number 2 is what I have raised earlier. Number 5, it is what I have just demonstrated. Number 4 is what I have just demonstrated as well. Okay, before this one become approved, we can always change the quantity. Let's say 20, okay, 20. And maybe 5. Okay, we can always change quantity and then update. All right, it will be updated. Let's look at it. Here, 20 and 5, right? We can also add items. We don't need it right now. We can also withdraw a requisition, like for example this one. Okay, let's see whether we have okay, withdraw means you actually cancel it off, right? Withdraw, and then the status become cancelled, right? Okay, so there's another feature here. There's some history over here. You can search. You can put in any date and any end date as long as you can find you're able to find something, you see it, right? For example, I can put it as 01/01/2020, 02/03, okay, 2020. Or let's see, all is here, right? Approved, cancel, canceled, pending, pending. Everything's here. Okay. And there's a hyperlink for you to see the details. Basically, this hyperlink will redirect you to this page. Okay. this update check status page, and you can check from there, right? The notification will be like this. Across all the different rows, we have similar notification page. So all notification will be shown here. For read and unread, we can make it as read. Okay, and then we refresh the page. The read will be shown here, right? This all will be unread parts. At the same time, whenever we raise a requisition, actually the email will be shown. Okay, let me pause and open up the email box to show you the evidence. Okay, so here is the email, right? Just now, Chris Tucker has raised a requisition 5 and raised this, right? Okay, and actually I set all the emails to my email, so that's why I receive all email. Right. Okay, so that's all for employee. Now I'm going to demonstrate the department head part, right? For department head part, I need to open another window so that the section is not confused, right? Okay, this is quickly log in. This is this person. Okay, so the employee also will have notifications. Like mark all the notifications. Okay, these are the notifications we have for raising up the requisition just now. Okay, we just mark all of them as read first, so that you can see the difference later. Okay, the reason why I mark all difference is because I want the count to be 0, so that you can see the increment of count later on, right? Okay, let's view the list, pending list. So these two are the pending lists I have raised earlier. Let's view it. Okay, I approve it. Excellent. Requisition, exactly what I want. Okay, so I'll approve it. Notice that this requisition disappeared. Okay, now I reject one. Okay, bad requisition. Okay, reject. Okay, so that will be also disappeared. At the same time, the message showing that there is currently no pending list of stationery requests available for you to view. Okay, so that is approve and reject. Let's see whether it's really approve and reject. Okay, there's a notification for me. Okay, right. If I click on notification, you can see there is some more notification come out as unread ones, and there were 7, right? Okay, so let's check the status. Just now there was 4 and 5. One is rejected, one is approved. So for approved one, we can do nothing about it. For rejected one, we can actually resubmit. Okay, we can change to 6, right? This change to 1, okay, and we can resubmit. How to resubmit? Simply click on update. Okay. Okay, so let's check it again. Now this become pending. We have resubmitted, and if you want to see this part, okay, it appear in the heads page as well. Okay, as this one, right? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate change wrap as well. This is the current wrap, Ben, banners, blah blah blah. Okay, if I click on edit, I can change it to Tom Cruise, and I can change it to, currently it's medical school. I like medical school, so I keep it the same, right? And I apply changes. Okay, now it is Tom Cruise. Or alternatively, I can also just change the CP. Okay, now I want it back to be Ben Berners. At the same time, I want it to be engineering school. Okay, why do we go to medical school if we can get it in my own department? Okay, so let's apply changes. Okay, the changes is applied. Ben Berners, engineering school, right? Okay, so this is a shortcut for changing the representative and collection point, same as before. Right now, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a delegation. Okay, well, let's look at the current delegation first. I have tried some delegation just now, so that's why you see some history with no action in it. Okay, these are so-called past delegation. Okay, you cannot do anything about it. Now I have a future delegation. For future delegation here, you can remove it. Okay, the whole record will be really removed. Okay, so now I'm going to add a delegation to Chris Tucker, right? Because I have logged in as Chris Tucker before, easier for me. Okay, now I set the start date as today, end date is today as well, right? So that means he is delegated for 1 day only. And approve. Okay, we'll see what will happen, right? So yeah, for this person, he is currently dedicated. You can see the start date is today midnight and there is tomorrow midnight, right? So it's actually 24 hours and we can actually deactivate it. If we deactivate it, you notice that the end date was set to 5/26, right? Okay. Well, at the same time, you can see the notification count is increased automatically without refreshing the page. Same for Chris Tucker, right? You see 9 become 9, right? Just now was 7. Okay. Hello, I'm back. I'm here to demo the mobile part of our app. So our mobile part is mainly targeted to department head, right? So let's log in as department head first. Okay, once the head is logged in, he can have 4 options. First of all is view notification. You can see all the notifications are here, right? Okay, next one will be approve and reject requisitions. Okay, let's view it one by one. Okay, this is something we raised earlier. Okay, I can continue do the remarks or not. Okay, so yeah, I approve it. Okay, wait, sorry. Somehow. Okay, sorry, my bad. I pressed back press. Okay, anyway, it should be here. Just now you redirect to this page with 2 lists only, right? That's the correct thing. Now I click on it again. Approve it again. The last one I'll reject. Okay. Okay, by the way, all these rejections approved will be shown in the email, as you can see. Okay, right. Notifications will be shown as well if they are using the web. Okay, so now there's no requisition list anymore, right? Okay, we can do some delegation. Okay, for delegation, you can delegate a person, cat maybe, to be the IT head from 27 until maybe March 6. Okay. The reason is I will be overseas. I'll be in M. Okay. M. Okay, I'll be in M. M stands for some country. Okay. Right. Assign. You can see delegation report has been reported and you see the new emails comes out. Okay, then the last option is change rep and collection point. Current rep is Tom Cruise. Current collection point is medical school. Now I'm going to change to Ben Burness, okay? And then change it to instead of medical school, I change to engineering school. Okay, I need to change it to Ben Burness, okay? Yeah. How come? Okay, yes, Ben Burness. Okay, can. Now I can double check. Yes, I did indeed select Ben Burness and engineering school. Okay, and then I can apply. Okay, then the page will be refreshed and notification is created. And then currently it's Ben Burness and engineering school. Okay, so let's log out. For login, when you try to log in as Ben Burness, I think this one will give you this page. Yeah, department rep only. We don't have the time to develop the department rep mobile. However, we'll try to do it in the future. But just show you the possibility of redirect to different pages through login page, right? Actually, if you want to log in as store clerk, you can also redirect to store clerk's page as well. Okay, that's all. For the department rep, hello, I'm back. I'm going to continue to show you, briefly show you the features in department representative. Okay. For department representative, we have disbursements to be shown, of course. Okay, if there's no disbursement, because currently we don't have any disbursement. Yeah, and then we also can view the collection point, and there's some map. We have map coordinates in it, and we can see some map in here, right? Besides that, we have notifications. We also have history. Currently, there's no history, no disbursement at all, therefore we have nothing displayed. Right, and then logout. Oh yeah, by the way, the good thing is the good thing is for this rep, he can be both the representative as well as the employee. He can be redirected to employee. Yeah, Ben Burness, yeah. But upon login, the first page he will see is the department rep page. So that's all for department parts.